Are you passionate about embroidery and clothing? Explore the exciting world of embroidery and discover a range of business ideas and opportunities waiting for you. Start a business where you offer custom embroidery services to individuals, businesses, and organizations. You can embroider names, logos, designs, or monograms on various items such as clothing, bags, towels, and more. Launch an online boutique specializing in handmade, personalized baby clothing featuring embroidery designs. Create adorable and unique garments that cater to the needs and preferences of parents seeking personalized items for their little ones. Create and sell digital embroidery patterns and designs online. You can design and digitize your own patterns or curate a collection of high-quality designs that customers can purchase and use for their embroidery projects. Target the wedding and event industry by offering custom embroidered decor items. This can include personalized tablecloths, napkins, chair covers, and banners, adding an elegant and personalized touch to special occasions. Design and produce a line of embroidered home decor items and accessories such as pillows, wall hangings, tea towels, and tote bags. Focus on creating unique and visually appealing embroidered designs that add a touch of sophistication to homes. Share your expertise by offering embroidery classes and workshops. Teach different embroidery techniques and skills to enthusiasts of all levels. You can conduct in-person classes, online courses, or even create pre-recorded video tutorials. Partner with fashion designers or clothing brands to provide custom embroidery services for their collections. Collaborate on unique designs and incorporate embroidery into their garments, offering a specialized and exclusive touch. Inspire and educate a global community through engaging YouTube videos and social media platforms. Share your techniques, projects, and stories and connect with fellow embroidery enthusiasts. Remember to conduct market research, identify your target audience, and develop a solid business plan before starting any venture. These ideas can serve as a starting point, and you can adapt them based on your skills, resources, and interests in embroidery and cloth making.